So my friends, myself, Mr. Bulaki Bhavashok, Babasaheb Marathi College, Rajapur, district Ratnagiri. Now we have the new topic like alkyl halide. In this alkyl halides, the last times we have seen the various type of mechanism SN1 and SN2 mechanism. Now the next topic in the chapters we have seen the difference between the SN1 and SN2 reactions. In SN1 reactions and SN2 reactions. In SN1 reaction, rate of the reactions depend on the concentration of alkyl halide. But in SN2 reaction, rate of the reaction depend on concentration of alkyl halides as well as the nucleophiles. Similarly, second point, in SN1 reaction, rate of the reactions depend on structures of halides. The order of that tertiary structures are more stable than secondary and secondary are more stable than primary structures. Whereas in SN2 reactions, the rate of depends on the structure of halides, like the primary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than tertiary halides. Next point in SN1 reaction is favored by more polar solvents due to the formation of planar carbocation which is stabilized by more polar solvents. In SN2 reactions, the reaction is favored by less polar solvents due to in this reaction does not form the carbocation. It is a simultaneous mechanism. Next point in SN1 reaction, nature of the leaving group does not affect the position of equilibrium. In SN2 reaction, nature of the leaving group is affect the position of reaction equilibrium because these steps are taking place in RDS. In SN1 reaction, last step, in SN1 reaction take place even with weak nucleophile. SN2 reactions, the reaction is favored by more powerful nucleophile to increase the rate of SN2 reactions. This is the difference. Next point we are going to the factor affecting of SN1 and SN2 reaction. The first factors we have see the nature of substrate. Which type of the substrate are favored to what? To increase the SN1 and SN2 reaction. Firstly, we have see the primary alkyl halides to tertiary alkyl halides we have going. The stability of SN1 reaction will be increased because the carbocation is also increased. Hence, the tertiary alkyl halides prefer SN1 reaction and primary alkyl halides prefer SN2 reaction due to in SN2 reaction the less steric hindrance of primary alkyl halides to get the favored of rate of SN2 reactions. In second factors, the strength of nucleophiles. In SN2 reaction, attack of nucleophile are take place in rate determining step and therefore the nucleophile is preferably increase the rate of SN2 reactions as the strong nucleophile will increase the rate of SN2 reaction. But in SN1 reaction, the nucleophilic attack takes place in the fast step, and therefore it is independent the nucleophile of SN1 reaction, and therefore weak nucleophiles is sufficient to got the SN1 type of reaction mechanism. Next point, concentration of base. Will increase the concentration of base, probably increase the nucleophile, or means that increase the nucleophilicity. Absolutely, it is joints or which is related to the rate of SN2 reactions because to increase the strong nucleophile. But in SN1 reaction, base is not sufficient to affect on rate of reaction, but it is weak base, it will be sufficient to got this type of mechanism. Next, factor nature of solver. The solvers also differentiate between SN1 and SN2 reaction because in SN1 reactions involve the formation of carbocation, and this carbocation which is stabilized by solvation by using more polar solvents, and therefore in more polar solvents rate of SN1 reaction it will be increased, but in SN2 reaction does not form the carbocation but dispersal charge in transition state are take place, and therefore the less polar solvent it will be favored by SN1 mechanism like the hexane. Another factors, the reaction nature of the living group. Living group also decide the mechanism of SN2 reaction or SN1 reaction. We know that basicity is one of the factors which is related to rate of SN1 reaction. The weaker base which is a better living group because the size of the living group it will be large or it will be more, it is a better living group. That is good living group increase the rate of SN2 reaction because the bond breaking of the living group and attack of nucleophile both process are taking place in slow state. Next point we have see the mechanism of SN1 reaction. SNI mechanism. SNI means substitution nucleophilic intermolecular reaction. For examples, the alcohol we have treat in thionyl chloride, the hydroxyl group which is replaced by chlorine atom. This type of mechanism are called as SNI mechanism. Such a type of mechanism is follows second order kinetics. We have used this chiral alcohol. It is a no change of the configuration or shows that the retention of configuration take place. Such a type of mechanisms are operate in SNI reaction like this OH group it will be attack on this thionyl chloride which is replaced by one of the Cl, like this hydrogen and Cl is a HCl, it will be replaced, and to got the bond between the oxygen and the sulfurs. After loss of SO2, this Cl minus is attacked on this carbocation and to form the bonds because not take place in a inversion of configuration because the alcohol is first react with thionyl chloride and to form the intermediate of thionyl fluorosulfide. This thionyl fluorosulfide which is isolated at mild conditions or that are some of these conditions. No inversion is possible because this bond between chiral carbon and oxygen atom is not broken after loss of chlorosulfide in SO2 and to form the intimate ion pair, and this intimate ion pair which is short lived, the chlorine is near to this intimate ion pair which is attacked on this intimate ion pair, and hence before change that configuration of this intimate ion pair, the chloride is attacked on that side, and therefore the retention of configuration are take place in SNI reaction, not inversion of configuration. If we have seen this intimate ion pair intermediate which is not short-lived, that time what happens, the configuration of that it will be changed because this chloride attack on that side is required. Sometimes we prefer the change of configuration. So such a type of reaction are take place in retention of configuration.